Welcome to Villa Feliz, located at 5370 Los Feliz Boulevard in gorgeous Los Angeles, California. We have a 1928 Spanish Hacienda redesigned and reimagined by renowned fashion designer Sue Wong. She is now venturing to designer homes. Let's take a look at this gorgeous Andalusian Moroccan estate. Follow me. Notice the gorgeous Talavera tiles upon entry, and this is the original door from 1928. Now we enter the grand ballroom of Villa Feliz. This is over 1,200 square feet of magnificent living space. Everything is custom designed by Sue Wong to have a look that it's authentic and original, but it's all custom done. Let's meet the designer, Sue Wong. Her motto is beauty, magic, and transformation. And she has taken it from 1920s Hollywood couture fashion into home design. Let's take a look at this ballroom, shall we? Expansive, gorgeous, with the fireplace here as well. To the spiritual centerpiece of the home, the tree of life. This is the focal point and the spiritual center of the home. So not only is this tree of life designed by Sue Wong and absolutely gorgeous and spiritually enthralling, but there's a secret door that takes you to outdoor entertaining. Whether you're enjoying a glass of wine by the fire and the waterfall, enjoying the cactus garden, you're completely in almost a Santa Fe style or Santa Barbara style home. Villa Feliz is almost 6,200 square feet of living space on over 15,000 square foot lot, and a corner lot at that, in gorgeous Los Feliz. In Los Feliz, just across the street, you have Griffith Park Observatory and hiking trails for days, and you have a safe neighborhood, which is so important, especially during these times that we've come out of the pandemic and our surroundings have changed. We realize the value of home, safety, and having inspiration where we live. We're now entering the master sitting area. This here has a gorgeous fireplace, and this fireplace is reminiscent of the fall of Pompeii. Let's check out the master bathroom. I love these things. And to me, this just looks regal and rich. Then you have a party shower. Who doesn't like a party shower in LA? So here we have the original window, and then we have the two-head shower, and we also have all of these water features here, so it's never a dull moment in your shower. And through here, we have our master closet. And in the 1920s, there really wasn't much closet space. However, she's expanded it to have a custom closet, perfect for his and her, or maybe just her, because we know we have a lot more stuff. Here, this is almost like Game of Thrones. I love this space. So imagine dining like royalty in this one-of-a-kind dining room. But this gorgeous fireplace is actually my favorite part of the home. I think it's absolutely spectacular, the color tones, and a romantic fireplace. Do you like to cook? I love to cook. So welcome to your chef's kitchen. And then you have a full Viking appliances. Gorgeous Eden nook. All right, and we have a gorgeous powder room off of the kitchen. Check out this beautiful royal blue Talavera tile. Sue Wong really wanted to maintain the integrity of the 1928 home by maintaining some of the original features, such as the stained glass. But then she elevated the space with her essence and her style, which is Hollywood glam couture. So here you have different items that are brought in because it is available furnished that are one-of-a-kind pieces from all over the world. And through here, this is one of my favorite pieces of the home, if we have enough light to show. This is a custom door. I mean, look at the amazing artistry of this. I mean, this was hand carved specific for Villa Feliz. And in through here, we have a bathroom with tile work inspired by the artist Kandinsky. Kandinsky is an artist that really had such, if you can notice the space, abstract shapes. And this really translated to the tile work that matches the original window in there. Let's step outside to the gorgeous Spanish Hacienda outdoor entertaining. Perfect for dining al fresco, feeling like you're in Santa Barbara when you're in the middle of Los Angeles. I mean, really, it is so charming. And only at certain times you even know you're in the city. But walk through here, notice the archways and the Kiva fireplace. This alone, I think, is so charming. It actually reminds me a little bit of Santa Fe, New Mexico. Now, it wouldn't be quintessential outdoor living without a beautiful pergola and fire pit. So up here you can have long nights with all your artist friends, talking about your favorite film, your favorite album, or just relaxing, not saying anything at all, with a nice glass of wine, which I don't have right now, but I will be having multiple glasses later. But how inviting is it with the fire? It makes me want a nice, beautiful Pinot Noir right now. But the whole grounds have been completely landscaped and designed by Sue Wong. So Sue Wong decided to transfer a lot of the look of the outdoor landscaping from her Malibu art house that she has, and it's a gorgeous estate right on Zuma Beach. And she made this oasis here as if you're in Palm Springs or in Santa Barbara or somewhere far removed from Los Angeles. And now we're going to the second level of this gorgeous Spanish home. Notice the nooks and crannies that some people miss. But this used to be where the telephone went. If you know a little bit of history on 1920s homes, every single room has their own style of sconce and their own unique flair of design. So in here, we have a little bit more essence of Hollywood glamour with these chairs, which again, the home is available fully furnished. How stunning. I mean, really, you walk in here and go, am I in an art piece? Am I in a painting right now? It's a living canvas of art. Every inch of this home is a living canvas of art. It's truly one of a kind. So here we have what could be your other master bedroom if you have children and you want to be on the same level as them. I mean, look at this Moroccan bed. This is a one of a kind. Where are you going to find this in any home? There's no staging and no other place that looks like this. There's really just so much detail that went into designing this home to make it fully turnkey. And through here, this is actually my favorite bathroom. I love, love, love this bathroom. The tile work here is really, it's a la Morocco. This is my favorite bathroom in the entire home. So in through here, I love this bedroom. So this is a passionate room. Notice this headboard. This headboard was actually made from a Moroccan door. I mean, how creative is that? You can actually see, look at that. It makes you just want to open it up and go, where is it going to take me next in this home? So every single room has a color theme, if you've noticed. So downstairs, you had the ivory room, which had the Fall of Pompeii ruins fireplace. Now we have romantic red. And through here, we come into another fabulous, this might be everyone else's favorite bathroom, and I think it's my close second. Maybe my first, just because when I went in it, I went, oh wow, what a good time. Look at this. How could you ever get bored taking a shower in this home? I mean, this is just, to me, outrageous. It's beautiful, along with the rest of this bathroom. Absolutely stunning and very, very spacious. I will tell you, in that shower, during our opening party, we had Billy Zane, the actor from Titanic, and he went inside that shower and he was like, am I being transported to another place in time and dimension? Is this some sort of teleportation device? No, it's not, but it'll make you feel that way, and there's a lot of creativity in this home. Thank you so much for joining this tour of Villa Feliz, located at 5370 Los Feliz Blvd, the gorgeous Spanish hacienda with Moroccan Andalusian decor by world-renowned designer Sue Wong. It's been a pleasure to tour this gorgeous, almost 6,200 square foot estate on a 15,000 corner lot in gorgeous Los Feliz across from Griffith Park. Thank you so much, and be sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and more Real Estate with Ray to come.